Hello, my name's Jocelyn. This video is about diaphragmatic breathing. I was at the hospital last night, and it really brought in how important it is to work your diaphragm and to keep it strong. The diaphragm is like this muscle, this sort of half balloon, and it also pinches the hiatus, which is the bottom of the esophagus, and closes off food. So if you have a strong diaphragm, yes, you'll be able to sing and you'll be able to manipulate support and sounds, but you also may keep your gut healthier. So this exercise is for singers, but if you're here just to strengthen your diaphragm, that's great too. So the exercise is going to be a V exercise. V's are really close to like pursed lips. So a pursed lips exercise is really good for creating that back pressure, as is a straw. So the exercise is going to be one long breath for 4 beats, and you're going to use all 4 beats. It's super, super important. So one measure to breathe, so 4 beats, and then we're going to go. So like 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here we go. Here's your breath. Go. Breathe. 2, 3, 4 V's. And then breathe. 1, 2, sing it, go. And then breathe. 2, use the whole 4 beats, go. And then go up, breathe, use the whole 4 beats, go. Breathe, go. Then go up, breathe, ready, sing. Okay, we're gonna stop there and then go back down. If you did the thing where you were like holding your air in, try the other one. If you were trying to use all the air, try the holding it in. So if you're holding it in and you're going, use the first beat of the next set of 4 to exhale the rest of your air. Otherwise, we breathe, use a little bit, breathe, use a little bit, which isn't bad. It's totally fine to do when you're singing a song. But in this exercise, we're trying to really work the diaphragm. So let's exhale all the air out. So you'll exhale for 1 full beat and then inhale for the 3 beats. You'll still get a nice long breath. We're going to breathe into, breathe, 2, 3, go. Exhale and breathe, or just breathe, sing. 2, 3, 4, going down. Exhale and breathe, or just breathe, ready, sing. Breathe, sing. Whoops, sorry. My bad. Breathe, 2, 3, go. 2, breathe, go. Okay. I hope that's helpful. Good luck.